Oh, oh, what? Welcome back to the channel, the ABTV. Me and Brian back again to watch some One Punch Man Season 2, Episode 2. Let's just get right into this. Thanks so much for clicking the video. If you want to see the full version, the full uncut version of this, go check out our Patreon. If you want to see next week's episode right away, you can also go and check out our Patreon. Otherwise, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Enjoy. Let's do it. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
You're right. They're desperate. I don't trust this shit. This is not a good idea. Ooh. Yeah, this is a bad idea. Wait, what? Who you? Garu. Oh wait.
I remember the
what's his face? What's his name?
Third rank
yeah.
third. That's rank third. Wolf. No. Wolf. I can't remember.
Superfang? I forgot. But yeah.
But Silverfang, yeah, I think so. I remember he said he had a student.
Yeah, yeah.
I feel like this is his son.
I think so.
He looks like him.
Yeah.
Oh, GG.
Okay. Oh. Oh. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, what? How? Damn. Yeah.
This must be his son. They look alike.
Oh, he's on the one monster side.
Oh.
Foolish. Go. You can do that? Wait, what was that?
I don't know, young Mustang.
Some. Whoa.
Oh, did he get cut?
Did he just take his fucking hand?
Oh.
Oh, he's kind of like, see, this is such a dumb idea, man.
Yeah, it's all your fault.
Gather all the villains in one spot.
I don't even think it's like the association. I think it was just this guy.
Wait, he just took out all the other guys.
Yeah, that's crazy. That's very crazy.
Today was my declaration of war. In 6 months I'll be stronger?
What does that even mean?
I mean, it makes sense because it's blizzard and tornado.
No,
Rank 14.
Rank 14, nice.
This is PSP.
Yeah, right? GAG. Who's coming right now? Nice. Nice.
Working alcoholics. We forgot about the show for like 1 second there.
Oh, it's...
Oh shit, Sonic. Let's go! Oh, you never met him?
No.
Shit. Yo, let me see that. What?
That's supposed to represent Sharp.
He deleted his save. Oh, so it's been 20 minutes. Wait, what?
Hellish Blizzard.
Not even once. Yo, where did they go?
Yeah.
You went somewhere else?
Are they fighting?
Yo. Nice.
How do you do?
Why not?
Yeah, right?
Nice, nice. Bro, he doesn't really need anybody. I don't think he doesn't have to worry about that.
Yeah. He's gonna be a rank A soon and then S rank.
Obviously, the answer is no.
Hellish Rama.
Did you really put eyelash fucking things up? This man's really holding eyelash curler? Oh, fuck.
God.
Fuck. Yep. Yep.
Know your place.
You won't survive like this. Jeez!
Lizard.
Jeez! Damn. Damn.
Okay. Got a wedgie.
That's crazy. Damn.
Okay. This is why she's known as Blizzard.
I don't see no snow. This is a tornado.
Yeah.
Damn. Whoa! But her face is up there.
There you go.
Okay. What the fuck? Nice. Alright. Fucking storm over here. Oh, nice. Super strong ball. Oh, sorry. I thought that said bald people. Shit. Shit, damn. Noob crushing. Damn. Damn. Oh shit. You can earth bending? What the fuck?
Yeah, what the hell? Alright.
Let's go. Damn. I really wasn't expecting a fully like thing fight. Oh.
ネズミを追いかけているうちに先生の住まい来てしまったか。あれは S 級のジェノス。
Oh yeah, he's a higher rank than her actually. Yeah. Oh, he just called her master. Let's go.
お前これ誇りなんてもんじゃねえだろう。
Say it.
Yeah, she's gonna be like, how's a S rank calling this guy master?
Right?
あなた S 級とつながり。
Bruh.
ジェノスのことか。 俺は埼玉先生の。
Damn. Let's go. Yep.
今まさにお前の攻撃の負け添え食らったんだよ。そうでしたか。それはすまなかった。
Flying shuriken.
違うけど。
Not really. Nice. He's so tired. Yeah.
一発食らおうが損傷は受けない。一発も当てれんくせに強がるな。
Oh. Oh, actually, I mean, fuck, alright.
俺がいつ実力を見せた。
Yeah, right?
貴様の負けだ。
Oh. He's faster than you? Yo, that's sick. No, he jumped. Oh, no, he jumped. He jumped. Damn.
Oh. Dodging it.
This
Yeah.
shit. What the fuck?
加速。
There's
俺と遊んだ時の全速力。
sort of faster. Sort of faster, right? That man didn't even say faster. It's sort of faster. Fuck, that's funny, man.
Jeez, let's go, let's go. Who knew Sonic was gonna be a big part of this?
Yeah.
頭の糸くずを取ってやったぞ。
Oh!
油断したな。
Oh!
マシンガン。
Did it land? Did it land?
動きが見えない。
This is what like Hit was doing.
焼却砲最大出力。
Just shoot everywhere? Oh!
勝った。
Really?
切る前に。
Oh. Oh. He dodged it. Oh, wow.
Pushed him down?
前で爆発される。
Oh, true, yeah, yeah. He was about to blow everything.
Yeah.
No, I feel so bad for him, though.
Man.
Oh, shit. I don't think you want that.
Yeah, I don't
I
know.
don't think you want this.
Is this gonna be the end for Sonic?
I don't know. I don't think we can kill him.
Yeah.
Let's knock him out or some shit. Ultimate master technique.
戦闘技術だけなら間 違いなく
So, okay, there you go. I was wondering where Sonic
勝ち目はないはず
would fall into.
だけど
So I guess, yeah, Class S.
すると全く勝ち目がないように思える
Oh, shit.
お前に勝ってこの意味
Oh my god, well, how's this gonna go? How's this gonna go?
Let's go.
必殺マジシリー
Oh, he did the same thing. Just did the same thing. Like times 100. Holy shit.
Right on the floor.
不横跳びし
I just saw sideways jumps.
衝撃波だけで無数の分身俺より速かった
Fucking crazy.
次こそ
The fool. There you go.
Nah, he just knocked out.
I wasn't trying to kill him.
強すぎる
Huh?
普通じゃない
Facts.
Everyone says that.
私はトップに立つ存在になるはずだった彼女さえ
Oh, there you go. There it is.
の姉であり
She's
最強の超
Oh,
能
is
力
there...
she's older.
Damn. Terrible
Confirmed.
tornado.
Confirmed.
I was thinking, like, yo, are they sisters? 'Cause, like, the hair and all
yeah,
that.
for sure. Same color, same thing. Everything. She's older.
だった時に思ったの私はこの位置のまま B 級
Okay,
以下の
true.
ヒーロー
So we're good now?
A 級ランキング1位の男イケメン仮面甘いマスク
Oh,
誰も超えることができないのよ
right.
But still, you can't just give up like that. Keep trying.
蘇生に成
I
功
haven't even
した
seen this
原
guy
始
do
人
anything yet.
Yeah.
研究所から逃げ出し街へ出て近づいた人間に危害を加える
Okay.
悪今日
Oh, okay, 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 okay.
僕はそんなに甘く
What can
ない
you do?
んだ
That's. Oh, finally! So we can do stuff. Okay.
Okay. I like that move. I thought you were gonna bring him alive.
イケメン仮面や私の姉ほどじゃないわ他にも人類最強と呼ばれる
Yeah, about that. Okay.
Wait.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit.
もしかして俺のゲーム持って
She's like, yo, this
Like,
guy
how
knows
popular
everyone.
is this guy?
な返して
本当に
Oh, because he erased his save.
出たけ
Fuck! Fuck!
なんで S 級が B 級なんかと楽しそうに
Fuck!
先生
No,
は
because he is him. Yeah, he's him.
悪い
いや別に全然おボタン
The button smooshed in.
だが強者を引き寄せる
私も仲間に
なぜなら強いから
Yes, sir.
That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool.
All right, all right.
Okay, so I have a theory.
Okay, what's your theory?
It's a small theory, but like, that's not really even theory, but like, my mask purposely stays as Class A rank 1 because the only way to get into Class S is to beat him, right?
Yeah.
Or whatever.
Or he has to fight one of the other guys.
Yeah. So I'm thinking that he stays at that rank. So technically, in a way, Mask controls all of Class S. You know, like who gets to go in there because he has the most influence. No,
Oh, okay. I see what you're saying.
like because anyone that goes to Class S kind of has to like
Yeah,
go through him in a way. In a way. So it's like, you know, like everyone in that group has been approved by a Mask in some way or another. That's why I mean, it's not really a theory, but that's just what I thought.
But technically, like, even like someone beats him, like from a lower class, like technically they take over his spot, which brings him down to 2. But yeah, I don't know.
I don't know, but that's the first time we've seen him actually.
Yeah, do
fight.
something. Yeah, I mean, like I think
can
that
do it.
she was.
He was
Yeah,
strong.
yeah.
Definitely strong.
But I'm interested to see where this character Blizzard brings us, cause
Yeah.
now she realized like can't mess with this guy.
Yeah.
Like, but they're telling her like, why don't you just keep moving up? And obviously,
Yeah.
like that's the reason why it's like no one can pass him.
Yeah.
But I mean, we are gonna. I feel like we are eventually.
Yeah. I like I mean for a little moment there it kind of feels like they're making their own little group right now, which is cool. You know, I like it. And I feel like it's only a matter of time before Sonic becomes a friend.
Yeah, right.
Like
Instead of arch rival, but yeah.
this guy was so completely outmatched with that move. He was like, I got this, but
Yeah.
it didn't work. Alright, well, thanks so much for watching. We really hope you enjoyed that. That was fun. Only beginning of season 2.
Yep.
So yeah, catch us next time. If you want to see the full version of that, you can go and check out Patreon. And if you want to see the next week episode right now, go check Patreon. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.